Good afternoon, everyone. We will start in next 2 minutes. We are just waiting for one of our panelists to come in. So just give us 5 minutes maximum. We'll just start this webinar. Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I would like to welcome you all for joining this webinar. I hope you all are safe home with all your family members. Thank you for taking out time and being here today. I'm Simran Choda, working as a senior consultant with House Seekers India Private Limited. We are international property consultant working with all A-grade developers from past 3 years. We have our business spread across Mumbai, Delhi, and Pune with more than 500 happy customers. I would like to introduce our keynote speakers today, Mr. Mukesh Batra, working as Managing Director and CEO for House Seekers.
It's good afternoon, everyone.
Mr. Sagar Mehta as Sales Head from Ajmera Group.
Hi, good afternoon.
I would be hosting this webinar today. Let me explain you how we are going to proceed this today. I'll ask few questions from Mr. Batra on current situations on real estate market. Later, I would request Mr. Sagar to help us about the Ajmera Sikova and its offering. In the end, we'll have a Q&A sessions in which you can ask questions directly from our realty experts, which they would be answering to all of your questions. Just in case if any questions left unanswered, don't worry, our sales team will connect with each and every customers to address all of your queries. So, Mr. Batra, because of House Seekers, as we have gathered together on a single platform, would want to understand about House Seekers and how House Seekers is assisting all our customers.
Thank you so much, Simran, for scheduling this webinar for all your customers. And am I audible, Simran?
Yes, clearly
yes.
so.
Yes. So if you ask about House Seekers, so basically House Seekers India Private Limited is a fastly growing technology-driven company. Our aim is to enable buyers to make the right choice at right time. And we always wish to make home buying journey and very easy, simple, and memorable for all our customers. We achieve it by our end-through assistance. Our valuable team of experts always guide to all our customers to make an intelligent and good choice when it comes to buying a home. We provide with the right advice based on your requirement with the support of our search algorithm. At House
Amazing.
Seekers, transparency is the key to foster a culture of trust and understanding with every home buyer who walks in through our doors to seek our trusted services. Our thorough and meticulous process always minimize the risk of investing in the wrong project, and we never charge any single rupee from our customers. This is the brief about the company and how we are assisting to all our customers to choose the right product at the right time. Yes, thank you, Simran.
Amazing, Mr. Batra. Thank you. Thank you so much for explaining how House Seekers is assisting to all our customers for shortlisting the right product at the right time. So now Mr. Sagar would request you to start this webinar first with a small introduction about Ajmera Group and its existence.
Thank you, Simran. First of all, on behalf of Ajmera Group, we welcome all the participants here for this special webinar. So as most of you all must be aware that Ajmera Group is in the real estate business from last 51 years. I request to change the slide, please. So yeah, so Ajmera Group is in the legacy of real estate business from last 51 years. As you can see on your screen, they have delivered 45,000 happy homes with around 47 million square feet of development and 28 million square feet already delivered. Ajmera Group has their presence in cities like Mumbai, Pune, Ahmedabad, and Bangalore. And also they have their international presence in Bahrain and United Kingdom. Next, please. Apart from real estate, if you see, Ajmera has diversified into cement, in business of cement, education, logistics, safe deposit lockers, solar power, sports. Next, please. So if you see the real estate portfolio of Ajmera Group in the year 2021, they have almost around 25 ongoing and upcoming projects with 12 projects in the city of Mumbai, 3 projects in Bangalore, 3 projects in Pune and Ahmedabad, 1 project in Bahrain, and 6 projects in London. So this is the short brief about the Ajmera Group. Over to Simran.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much, Mr. Sagar, for a brief introduction on Ajmera Group. I would welcome the another panelist that we have, Mr. Rishi Ajmera, to this webinar.
Yes, welcome, Mr. Rishi.
I'm okay.
Yes. So, Mr. Rishi, just wanted to take some views on real estate market from your end, as we all know, due to COVID-19, not only in India, but also the whole world has been infected. So considering the current situation, if you can help me, is this the right time to invest in real estate market?
Honestly, I think to start with, COVID times are very uncertain, came in very suddenly. As far as sales is concerned in real estate, April was very slow for all the developers. But I think starting from May onwards, sales started picking up for credible brands that have delivered in the past, brands that have given possessions to their investors. So credible brands did sell a lot of inventory. According to me, I think the most important thing that people have realized in the lockdown is the importance, the need of having their own home or offices. I'm sure everybody who are staying in rented house or probably are operating out of a leased office have faced challenges in terms of issues with entering their own offices, issues from their landlords, issues in terms of space, constrained spaces, smaller spaces with more people, and then your social distancing. So I think the most important factor that people have realized in this lockdown is the importance of owning their own home or offices. Second is, I feel the sale velocity has increased because of the reduction in home loan rates. As per stats, the 3 major cities in India that have recorded highest sales in this lockdown have been Mumbai, Chennai, and Hyderabad. Even Bangalore, in terms, has recorded a good number of sales. The other factors that also catered to the increase in sales were a lot of schemes which came out. Builders given a lot of schemes, subvention schemes, 1090, 20, 50, 30. This actually helped all the investors and the customers to plan their future right, because in such times everybody said that keep cash in hand. Cash is preference. People who have cash in hand are the kings. So I think with all these subvention schemes, they could plan their future and the present, right? They're investing a part of their money in an asset that they want to make, and the payment has to be done in the future. So all these factors really help increase the velocity of sales in today's times and push people to buy offices and homes in such difficult times.
Rightly said, Mr. Rishi. Thank you so much for your thoughts. It's very important for us to understand, how real estate market is also responding. So, Mr. Rishi, as you know, it was a lockdown and, we all were home. Just to understand from your end, like how real estate market did respond during this period.
Real estate market responded well because of few major factors. One being the volatility in the stock markets. People have seen a crash of roughly about 40-45% in the past 3 to 4 months. SIPs, mutual funds, where they've been investing over a period of 4 or 5 years, they're seeing negative returns of roughly about 15 odd percent. So all their planning has gone for a toss. The only stagnant asset that people own today, where prices have not gone up, that's a fact, but prices have not gone down either. So that is a commercial real estate is what I would suggest. To be honest, commercial real estate today, what happens with our generation is that, we want to focus more on our lifestyle. We want to spend enough on our lifestyle. And for that, it is very important that, we have a asset which is generating fixed income for us, right? So nor stock exchanges, nor your mutual funds can give you a fixed return. If you own a commercial asset and if you're leasing it out, you're getting a good return of about 7 to 8%, which is your monthly fixed income that is coming in, which helps you maintain your lifestyle, which is very, very important. Second is, of course, when you invest in a property, you get property appreciation. That's your other big point. And, people get a lot of satisfaction today when they can physically see their asset, they can touch their asset, because that gives a sense of security, comfort, satisfaction that, I own an asset. That is not the case, with stock markets and your mutual funds. And over these years, a lot of people diverted to all these other investment opportunities because they thought there is good investment opportunity. But in such times, asset you own in real estate remains constant, stagnant, stable, whereas all these others fumble and they go for a toss. And plus, with opportunities coming to India, Bangladesh, all these places, companies going out of China, willing to come to India, developing countries, we see a lot of scope for commercial real estate. So I think it's the right time to invest in commercial real estate, where there's enough growth opportunity and plus there is enough returns also on that.
Mr. Batra would request you to unmute.
Yes, Mr. Rishi, I completely agree with you what you said right now, because this is the golden time and this is the golden opportunity to invest in real estate. And I want to show a few slides which will explain how real estate is always right choice to invest. So just allow me 1 minute. I'm showing it. Clearly told by Mr. Rishi is real estate real choice because it's real estate. It's always real choice. If we see the ROI, return on investment, if we see the CAGR, which is compound annual growth return from last 10 years से देखेंगे तो minimum 10% जो है real estate is giving to all our customers, and always low risk, consistent dividend. In terms of rent, we always get stable rent in real estate. If we compare with share market, clearly told by Mr. Rishi, we are getting high returns. There are other options of investment like gold. Gold is very costly, so no one is thinking to buy the gold at this time. Mutual funds, it's the same like equity. Mutual fund is also not giving returns. So if we talk about real estate stability, because this is the need for everyone. If we talk about roti, kapda, makan, these are the essential things जो कि कभी आपका down नहीं होगा. तो रियल एस्टेट ही एक आपका एक ऐसा सेट बसता है जो आपको कभी भी आपका जो रिटर्न है कभी भी आपका जीरो नहीं होगा. एनी टाइम आपको कंसिस्टेंट डिविडेंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ रेंट यू विल ऑलवेज गेट. If I go to next slide, right, so it will explain about the contributions. Real estate एक ऐसा सेक्टर है जो इंडियन इकोनॉमी में 70% contribute कर रहा है. If I talk about gold, 10%. Equity is contributing 10% in Indian economy, and mutual fund is also contributing 10%. Why real estate is 70%? Because every sector is linked with real estate. That's the reasons real estate is always right choice to invest for investment. Investment may be in residential, investment may be in commercial. But if I talk about residential, commercial always give high ROI compared to residential projects. If I talk about the scenario of today, so we are facing two problems: social distancing, and another is immediate cash flow. Many buyers, there are many buyers in the market. They want to buy they are looking investment opportunity, but yes, they are looking for good payment plans. They are looking for high returns. They are looking for good price offers. Every developer is working on this and to also resolve this problem. And we are, Mr. Sagar is here to explain about the opportunity. And another problem is that is social distancing, because we know we all are in lockdown. So COVID-19 is spreading. So the only solution to stop COVID-19 and to prevent from COVID-19 is only because until we will not get the vaccine to this problem. So social distancing is the key challenge. These are the challenges if we are getting the opportunity and we want to buy. So definitely in this webinar, we will resolve it today. Thank you so much, Simran.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much, Mr. Rishi, for explaining this opportunity. And thank you so much for this pictorial view, Mr. Batra. It will definitely help us, our consumers, our viewers, to choose the right product at the right time, which is very important, of course. Now I would request Mr. Sagar to explain about the investment opportunity from in Ajmera Sequoia project. So Mr. Sagar, can you please explain us?
Thank you, Simran. Coming back to the Ajmera Group, we are launching a commercial landmark in a very strategic location named as Ghatkopar. So here we'll be coming up with a commercial project named as Ajmera Sequoia. Next, please. We'll have a view of a short video that would be played on the screen now. So as we saw in the video that as for any business, the location, the office space is the most important thing. So here again, we are bringing up an opportunity for office space that comes in Ghatkopar. Now, everyone would be aware that Ghatkopar is now considered as the center hub of Mumbai, because connectivity to any part of Mumbai, say South Mumbai, there is a connectivity from Ghatkopar, that is the elevated freeway which is there. Going to the western suburbs, you have the Chembur Santa Cruz Link Road. You have the first metro of Mumbai, which starts from Ghatkopar, that is the Ghatkopar Andheri Metro. And there are two big malls which are there in Ghatkopar, which is the ICity Mall and the Phoenix Market City Mall. So we understand that this location of Ghatkopar is a very strategic location and a very prospective location for any investment, be it a commercial or a real estate investment. So that is how we have understood the basic advantage of the location Ghatkopar. Next, please. So this project Ajmera Sequoia is a pure commercial tower, a 14-story glass facade tower, as we see over here the picture. This is located on the LBS mark opposite a very famous Shreyas Cinema which was there, and opposite Damodar Park in Ghatkopar West. Next, please. So if you see the exact location, this is around 100 meters from the LBS mark. If you see the connectivity, you have the two metro stations which are quite near to this project, which is Jagruti Nagar Metro Station and Ghatkopar Metro Station. Ghatkopar Railway Station is just 1.2 kilometers from this project. You have Eastern Express Highway, which connects to your north of Mumbai, that is this side towards Thane, Navi Mumbai, which is around 1.7 kilometers from here. And also the connectivity to the international airport is just 7 kilometers from this location. Now, being a commercial project, of course, banks is quite important thing. So you have around 6 branches of banks, well-known banks which are near to this project, which is Kotak Bank, HDFC, State Bank of India, IndusInd Bank, Saraswat Bank. And as I mentioned in the previous slide, there is R City Mall, Phoenix Market City Mall, Brand Factory, R Odeon. So it is very well connected and very well accessible to major, you can say, major places of Ghatkopar. Next, please. So if you come to the project, it is a very, you can say, high-tech commercial building as per the today's requirement. So we have catered to a majority of the amenities, like you will be having a cafeteria, you will be having a grand entrance lobby, inquiry desk, you have a semi-covered sitting, you have double glazed windows. So the safety as well as the luxury is both being covered in this project. Next, please. Now, this is a very important thing, like in a commercial tower also, we are being offering some leisure activities, which is very rare in this times when you see the commercial tower. So we have a net cricket pitch, we have indoor games, we have, you can say, informal meeting pods, you have sitting area, which is, all these amenities are being provided on the rooftop area. So this is also quite important and a quite unique thing which is being offered in the commercial tower. Next, please. So if you see a typical planning of the building, it's a 14-story tower. We have 7 elevators in which there are 6 passenger elevators and 1 service elevator. There are 28 offices per floor, and all these offices are self-contained with attached toilets. And you have 2 staircases as per the government norms. And also there is a provision for servant toilets on the staircase area. So with the attached toilets inside the office, you have a separate provision for servant toilets as well. And this is a typical floor plan for all the floors, all the 14 floors. And we have a refuge area on the 7th floor. So you can just next, please. So there are, so this is the plan for the 7th floor, which is the refuge floor. So there is some space which is being dedicated for the refuge area. Next, please. If you see the configuration of the offices, we have the minimum size of 321 square feet RERA carpet, and a typical 321 square feet of office can be planned in the way as we see in the picture, that there is a proper dedicated cabin, you have a workspace area, and you have a washroom, dedicated washroom area. So this is how the typical 321 square feet office can be planned. So the further configuration, next please. So then we have a slight bigger office, which is a 42 square feet office. So that is what is being shown, that how it can be planned. And then we have the bigger size, which is the 518 square feet. Next, please. So basically the configuration of the offices is between 321 to 518 square feet office. So these are the ideal sizes which can be looked forward for your end use as well as for investment, if at all you're planning to rent it out in future, because these are the actual sizes what is the requirement for the today's generation. Next, please. Now, if you see, the most important thing is the pricing. So our offices starts with 59.50 lakhs. So that is the basic price of the office. And right now we have come up with a special payment plan, as we had the discussion before, that during this lockdown time or during this COVID-19, the payment plan what we have come up with is a COVID-proof plan, wherein if I just read out, it is paid 10% on booking, then further 10% on the completion of plinth, which is say around 2 months from now. then the further 50%, which is the maximum amount, that has to be paid once my complete structure of the building is ready. That is on completion of RCC slabs, and then rest 30% is on possession. So basically, here the biggest advantage or the biggest security for an investor is that you have to pay the major amount when we have actually completed around 70-80% of the building. So this secures you with the current situation wherein there is a problem of migrant workers and all, because you are being secured and you need to pay once the building is up and means the structure is up. And second is you save on your finance cost. That is, if you take a bank loan, your minimum margin comes to around 20-30%, which is to be payable now, and then you have to pay your further amounts to be payable when the structure is ready. So this is how it's a special payment plan that is being offered during this times of COVID. So this is about this project. Of course, as we have mentioned, if you have any queries, any questions, you can put it on the chat box and we are always happy to answer that. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sagar, for explaining about Ajmera Sequoia. It's a very great opportunity, for the customers who are looking for commercial investments. As we have a lot of questions from the audience end, so would request the experts to answer them. I have a question from Mr. Karan. He is an investor and he wants to know about the location advantages for Ajmera Sequoia. So Mr. Sagar would request you to answer this question to Mr. Karan.
Yeah. So basically, as I mentioned, this project is in Ghatkopar, which is a very strategic location and considered as the central location of Mumbai. So first advantage of this location is the connectivity and the accessibility, because any parts of Mumbai, because Ghatkopar is considered in the considered as the eastern suburb of Mumbai, and connectivity to South Mumbai, connectivity to Western Mumbai as well as North Mumbai is very much convenient and easy from this location, be it through the private or the public transport. So that is one advantage. And second, Ghatkopar, of course, being a developed location wherein you have all the you can say infrastructure already operational, it is always a good decision to invest in such developed location, because your growth appreciation is not dependent on any infrastructure to get developed, but it is anyways ready. And there are, of course, many additional infrastructure that is being added to this location. Like there are 2 metro lines which is connecting this location or the location of the project. Apart from that, there are new roads which are coming up, which would have a direct advantage to the project and the location. So yeah, that is the biggest advantage for this location of Ghatkopar.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sagar. We have a question from Mr. Arora, that when is the possession date?
So as right now we have already commenced our work and we are about to get our plans in the next 1 or 2 months. So we are expecting the possession of the building in 2 years time, that is say in the year 2022. Around June, July 2022 is where we are expecting the possession.
Okay, all right. I have a question from Mr. Vishal. He's asking how much ROI can he expect by investing in Ajmera?
As our panelist had mentioned, that being a commercial property, you can expect around a good ROI in a commercial property. So yeah, the same continues, that we can, on a conservative side, we can expect around 6.5 to 7% as the net ROI in this project once it gets ready.
Yes, Simran, sorry, I am interrupting you. Mr. Jetlal Thakkar is asking to explain again about the locations. So can we explain it through our location map again?
Yes, definitely.
Just wait, I am sharing the screen of location. That's all.
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Sagar, please explain the locations because few customers are asking about the execution of this project.
So this blue mark which is being seen, that is where our project is. So this is basically on the LBS mark of Ghatkopar. If you must be aware about the very famous Shreyas Cinema, which was quite a prominent landmark in this location. This is on the opposite side. So you can say it's on the LBS mark, very well connected to two metro stations like Jagruti Nagar and Ghatkopar metro station, as well as to Ghatkopar railway station is around 1.2 kilometers. This is also near to the Eastern Express Highway, and there is also a direct connectivity to the international airport as well. So that is, and Ghatkopar as a location also, it is very well connected to all the parts of Mumbai, that is towards the South Mumbai, to the Western Mumbai, as well as to the north side of Mumbai as well.
Yes, rightly said. Thank you, Mr. Sagar. We have another question from Mr. Satish, that is our site operational? Like we know the situation as it's a unlock one. So if you can help us, if the site is operational and if they can visit the site, if yes, then when?
So we are very happy to announce that, yeah, we have resumed our operations and we have taken all the hygiene measures that are being required in terms of sanitization, in terms of cleaning. So yeah, we are very much operational, and all the customers who are willing to visit the project are very welcome for it.
And Mr. Prajot is asking, what is the GST amount percentage? They're asking about the percentage of GST on commercial property.
So as per the government norms, the GST percentage on commercial property is 12% on the agreement value. So that is what is being charged right now.
Yes, almost all questions are answered. Yes.
Just to interrupt, somebody I think asked about the rentals, ongoing rentals in that micro market. So the ongoing rentals in that micro market is between 100 and 120.
Great. So again, I want to explain the procedure because few customers shown interest. So what is the process? After this webinar, our sales team will connect with every customers. We will fix your meeting as per your time. So we will connect with the closing manager. Then closing manager will connect with you. We will schedule the same meeting with your family members on same platform. Yeah, any video conferencing tool like Google Meet, Zoom, any platform we can use it. If you want to visit, we can also schedule a visit. This is the process to grab this opportunity. Sagar, if we have missed anything, you can download the process to if any customers want to buy it.
So yeah, we are okay. So as Mukeshji rightly said, we are available offline as well as online. We welcome everyone to the site as well if it is convenient, or else we are available through technology platforms as well, like Google Meet, Zoom. So yeah, you all can get in touch, and we are more than happy to serve you for that.
Thank you. Thank you so much for giving us.
Yes, as we have received a lot of questions from the customers end, but of course, as we are even bound to time. Okay, so I'll just do one thing, okay? I have a lot of questions, so let me just do one thing. Our sales team will get in touch with you shortly, okay? Because after this webinar itself, our sales team will get in touch with all of you and resolve all your queries. Just in case if you would want to connect, there will be a number shown on the screen right now. Okay, you can call on that number, or else drop an email on mukesh@houseseekers.in so that we will resolve your queries immediately. Thank you so much, Mr. Batra, Mr. Mehta, Mr. Ajmera, for joining this webinar. Thank you so much, all the participants, for joining this webinar.
Thank you so much, Simran, for scheduling this webinar. Thanks to all the customers who has given precious time to join this webinar. Thank you so much to all of you.
Thank you.
Yes, Mr. Narendra is asking brochures. Yes, Mr. Narendra, we will share each and everything, and our sales team will connect with you and will share all details on your email ID.